Hi, I'm Jennita. This channel isn't just about art, it's a space where I share stories, soft ones, deep ones, human ones, and today's story is something I learned not from a book, but from a student's eyes. That day, I realized being a teacher isn't just about teaching, it's about healing. And that changed everything for me. Not every child walks into the classroom ready to learn. Sometimes they just want to feel safe. I used to think my role was to explain. Now I know my role is also to understand. Here are 5 things that changed the way I teach and live. 1. Every child has a story behind their behavior. Before I try to teach, I pause to listen. Silence might mean fear. Acting out might mean pain. And behind it all might be a heart that's just waiting to be seen. So now I ask less, what should I teach? And more, what does this student need in order to try? 2. Language isn't a barrier, it's a bridge. Whether through words, movement, or art, the goal is always expression. Sometimes a child's voice doesn't start in a sentence. It starts in a drawing, in color, in courage. 3. Technology should empower, not just evaluate. It's not about which app I use. It's about how students feel proud of what they create, how they see their own growth, how they feel seen. 4. Equity is not a trend. It's the heart of teaching. It's not about giving everyone the same. It's about noticing who hasn't spoken up yet, who doesn't feel safe to try. Inclusion isn't about listing everyone's name. It's about making sure everyone feels they matter. 5. Teachers don't have to be perfect. I used to think I had to know everything, but the truth is, the day we say I don't know yet might be the day we teach something even more powerful, because when students see that we're still growing, they feel safe to grow too. Final thought, if you're a teacher, a mom, a mentor, or just someone trying to show up for others, please remember, you might think what you do is ordinary, but to someone else, it's everything. Sometimes you're not just teaching content, you're giving courage, you're offering safety, you're helping someone believe in their voice again. And in a world that moves so fast, maybe the most powerful thing we can give someone is the space to rest, to breathe, to begin again. This is Jennita. Thank you for walking this moment with me.